Traumatic brain injury recovery.
So what advice do you have for other brain injury survivors who are beginning the recovery process?
Well, I think it's frightening because there's not a lot of paths you can go to, not a lot of really professional people you can talk to. I think that's a big problem with brain injuries. They'll have some get-togethers, fundraisers, but that's not a way to really help you. You can meet different people, but there has to be a better spectrum of ways to meet different doctors that can help you with your mind and with your body and your emotions.
So you think you'd like to see other services, additional services?
Absolutely.
Do you have any specific suggestions?
Well, I think that the people in the psychiatric field, or psychologist field, or just mental health field have to work together to work with these individuals in just the medication, not just throw out medication, but have someone actually control the medicine that goes into the person's body.
It's easy to push pills, isn't it?
Oh, it's very easy, and it's very easy to get addicted to them.
Right. So what advice would you have for doctors who treat brain injury survivors?
Sometimes I think they should go and get new courses.
New courses?
And get re-educated, because things have changed. And I think the world has changed, as we all know. We have phones that can do such amazing things. You don't even need a key to start your car. You can do it off your telephone. You can look at your phone and have it start up itself. You could have your heat in your house change and have your temperature gauges work the way you want to, or your air conditioning. It's a changing world, and the question is, a lot of doctors are old school, and even a lot of the newer doctors are old school, and they have to learn to change with the times, and so the patients have to also.
Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video.